everyone, welcome back in another video. Today date is 17th of November 2022 and in our today's video we are going to see difference in between constructor and methods. So before going toward that difference, we have to know what is meant by constructor and what is meant by method. So constructor is, I can tell you the one example or one of the use of constructor is that suppose in any class there was an instance variable are present. Instance variable means that variable which are written inside the class and outside the method. So we can call this as an instance variable. Suppose these instance variable are not defined. Okay, initialization is there of that instance variable. So that is suppose int id. It is the one instance, one variable, and another is a string name. Is another variable, instance variable. So we have to pass the some value to that particular instance. So that time we can we can use a constructor for assigning that assigning the value to the particular instance or for define the value to the instance. So that time we can simply write that within that instance, within that constructor, like that by using this keyword, this dot id is equal to 10. So, and for string we can also write that this dot name is equal to so. So we can pass those all parameters, that is id 10 and name so is passed to that instance variable which are present inside the class and outside the method. When we are going to access those parameters, we get output in terms of those value which we are passing by using a constructor. So, and then use of a method is that method should be used to write a business logic between the body of that particular method. So there was a method are created as per the functions. Suppose whenever we are going to create any web page or web server, that time there was a multiple things are there or multiple functions are there, like a login function or a registration function is there. So those different functions should be need a specific block of code or separate block of code. So that time we are using writing a separate method for a separate function. There was one method for login, another method for registration. Like that, we are creating a different methods are there. So now we can see what is the major difference in between constructor and methods. So constructor is written as we have to write the similar name of class in which we are going to create a constructor. Suppose that class name is login, then we have to create a constructor name as a login. After login, there was a parenthesis. Within parenthesis, which parameter we have to pass to that constructor, we can pass within that parenthesis. After the curly braces, within curly braces, we are going to write the logic or write the assigning the value for the instance. And when we going to the methods, that time we have to write the access modifier, return type, name of that particular method and parenthesis. Okay. So in case in methods, it's not compulsion to write a similar name as a class name, similar name for the method. We can also write the similar name for a method as a class name, but we can also write any different name for the method. There is not any kind of restriction. And again, there was a parenthesis. We can also pass the parameter within the method. So that is the first one difference. After that, the next one difference is the constructor can call automatically when we go to execute the code. That means when we are code is in compile time, that time constructor get automatically called or constructor get its work automatically. But in case of method, we have to create the object within that for the particular class, and then we have to call that method by using objects. Object cannot call directly itself. The next difference is that if we are not providing any constructor, that time compiler can create its own default constructor. That is, we can also call it as a non-parameterized constructor. That is default constructor. And one more type is parameterized constructor, which we are creating as per our requirement. In when we are going at the method side, that time we have to create each method as per our requirement. So there is not any feature that can be that a compiler can create method itself. So there is not any kind of feature. It compiler can create constructor at the time of a compilation. So after that, the next point is that we are only assigning and passing the value within the constructor, and we can write the logic within our methods. So that is the major difference in between constructor and methods. After that, so this is all about difference between constructor and methods. Thank you.